Cohesion Foundation Trust, an organization founded on a holistic vision of socio-economic development. An organization that strives to achieve cohesive development of natural resources and human resources, each complementing the other. A realistic, down-to-earth organization that stands apart by its absolute earnestness and its total determination to facilitate empowerment of the underprivileged.
Cohesion has a role of a facilitator where they work with the community to mobilize them, create an awareness, and ultimately to articulate their needs.
Cohesion Foundation Trust was founded in 1996 when a group of professionals with a genuine interest in integrated human progress and first-hand experience in diverse facets of social development got together and created a platform for action and awareness. In the initial phase, Cohesion acted as a support organization, providing professional assistance to other development organizations. In 2000-2001, it set up an implementation unit in order to transfer the knowledge it had garnered over the years directly to the grassroots. Concomitantly, it formally registered itself as a public trust. Today, Cohesion Foundation Trust has an established presence in 3 districts of Gujarat: Kutch, Rajkot, Patan. And it has recently begun expanding its activities to other states. Cohesion chose these 3 districts in Gujarat as its theatre of activity because they all fall under the less privileged category in terms of resources. They are dry and arid and historically prone to natural disasters. They receive scanty rainfall and suffer from degraded natural resources, making agriculture and allied activities their primary source of livelihood a risky venture each time. And they all suffer from a vast range of problems related to migration, health, education, living conditions, and community infrastructure.
સંસ્થાએ અમારા ગામની અંદર બંધપાડા તળાવની અંદર કુવા ખરસ અટકાવવા માટે આવડા સંસ્થાના માણસોએ જે અમારા ગામની અંદર કાર્ય કર્યું બહુ ઊંચું કાર્ય કર્યું એમ કે ભાઈ આ ગામને જરાક આ વિકટ પ્રશ્ન છે કે ભાઈ આવડા લોકોને કાયમિક ધોરણે ખરાબ પાણી પીવાથી ગામની અંદર એમ કે ભાઈ રોગચાળો થાય તો સંસ્થાએ અમને થોડીક મદદ કરી કુવાના લીધે અમને કાયમિક ધોરણે ચોખ્ખું પાણી મળતું છે.
From inception, Cohesion charted out its activities around a core vision of offering sustainable socio-economic developmental support and solutions to the more vulnerable segment of the society, inhabiting underdeveloped, underserviced areas, with a special focus on women.
Cohesion, as I have been saying for about 4 years or 5 years now, Cohesion somehow took on a path that it'll do on the managerial excellence as well as providing technical support. These two together became very crucial not only in assisting as well as helping the organizations or the local level institutions that are coming up, but more crucially playing them with an interactive role as well as linking them up with other agencies.
In this multifaceted endeavor, Cohesion acts in partnership with a number of like-minded organizations.
At Cohesion, initially we had a debate which approach of development we should adopt, whether it should be welfare, equity, empowerment or efficiency. Then we zeroed it on to empowerment. What happens is that the marginalized sections of community, especially women, do not have access over resources. Then what to talk of control over those. At the same time, they don't have control over their lives also, and they do not get basic rights. So this leads to poverty. And at Cohesion, what we believe in empowerment is that empowerment should lead to people getting access to the resources so that they can improve their lives, and also they get social space for meeting their other strategic needs. At Cohesion, we believe in two aspects related to empowerment. One is that enabling these underprivileged sections of society access to resources, and other is they participate effectively in decision making processes and mainstream developmental activities. And these two aspects are interrelated. One without the other has no meaning in the long term. And all our efforts at Cohesion are concerted towards one goal: creating enabling environments for the underprivileged.
In a broad overview, Cohesion's areas of involvement are natural resources management, community-based socio-economic issues such as the empowerment of women, sustainable livelihoods, disaster preparedness and mitigation. But on ground, its activities form a larger spectrum. Soon after Cohesion set up its implementation unit, its philosophy, commitment, skills, and perseverance were put to an extreme test in the form of the devastating earthquake that ravaged Gujarat state in January 2001. In the wake of the quake, Cohesion swung into action and focused its energies on low-profile villages of Kutch and Rajkot, which were affected the most. In keeping with its philosophy of holistic development, the foundation began with immediate